Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with the craft haul video. I have items from Aliexpress, a couple of items from Target, and some items from the Dollar Tree. So let's get started. So first, let's show some items from the Dollar Tree. So I found these cute little containers with the rope. I hadn't seen these at my Dollar Tree before, so I picked up a couple of these. I won't be using them this season. I'm not sure what I'll be using them for, but they're awfully cute. Got a couple of those. And then I was able to find the wooden like ornaments that Dollar Tree had. These are I found the last 3 that were on the shelf. So I'll probably be using these next year to personalize for Christmas. And I found this lantern. It's the green one. They had another one with a deer on it, but I like this one. I may see if I can spray paint it another color. I'm not sure if I'll keep the green or not, but I thought this was a really awesome deal with the light inside. I should have put let's see if it works. I don't know. I'll have to check this out. Oh, it has the little pull thing in it. Well, anyway, this is the lantern with the Christmas tree. And then I picked up these 3-piece set of pencil holders. I just thought they were a nice design and maybe would look awesome spray painted gold. Maybe. We'll see. And then I saw someone haul these really cute treat bags. I just love the little gingerbread men on them and the stars and the Christmas tree, and I think they kind of look like cookies, sort of, to me. But I really like this design. And so what I did was I cut one of the bags up and I made a card with it. I put this piece I had in my stash and then some gems on it. And I think it turned out really cute. What do you guys think? So you can use your Dollar Tree supplies to make really cute Christmas cards. Now from Aliexpress, I picked up several dies. The first one is this Christmas stocking die. It was a 3-piece die with a large and medium and small stocking. And then I ordered this die because this was to help make it a shaker, I believe. So I always like to show you guys the dies, you know, cut them out. I didn't do a shaker. I'm really not the best at doing shakers yet, but I did cut it out in some felt I found in my stash, this red. Isn't this cute? This is the large size. I'm gonna put my initial on here and my guy's initial, and we'll have these hanging up for a little Christmas decoration in the dining room. Super cute. And then I picked up another Memory Decks die. And this was the one that came with a die and a tag. And it has some script. I think it says cutest. I'm not sure what that says. And then one that says love you. And so that's that. And so it cuts out this design, which is really cute with the etching all around it. And then here's the tag it cuts out, and it has these little cutout little circle design, and then it also cuts out the little reinforcement for the hole there. So that's the Memory Decks. And then this Valentine, it's not Valentine's, but it could be used in Valentine's, but it's a heart, and it kind of looks like a little sugar cookie. Or Christmas cookie. And then the very popular marshmallows. I got the small set, and this is the large set. And I cut out the smaller set. These are super cute. Look at her bow. And I love the eyelashes. So that's the marshmallow. And then I picked up this really pretty bow, kind of like a snowflake bow. And I cut that out several times in different color variations. I used it on a couple of my Christmas cards this year. I think this color is my favorite, but then again, I like this one too. So really cute. And then last but not least, I picked up these 2 tiered trays from Target in the Bullseye Playground section. And it's hard for me to get them on camera, but they are simply adorable. Look at this one. This is $5 with the little metal feet. And then this one was really cute. Look at this little cart. Is this not cute? Super adorable. So that was from the Bulldog Playground. Is that what it's called? Bulldog. So cute. So let me know what you think about the card made with the Dollar Tree treat bag. And I'll talk to you guys really soon. Alrighty, bye-bye.